Welcome to this heart-focused meditation. In this session, we'll journey inwards to connect with our inner wisdom. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down and relax. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Do this a few times. As you breathe, feel your body beginning to settle down. Scan through your entire body. If there is any tension, release the tension with each exhale. Bring your awareness to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. You might want to bring your palms to the middle of your chest for better visualization. Imagine a warm, gentle light glowing there. This light represents your inner wisdom, your deepest knowing, your true self. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel this light within you expand, filling your entire chest with warmth and peace. Continue to breathe in slowly and gently, allowing each breath to guide you deeper into the heart space. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Feel the steadiness and calmness of it. Within your heart, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. My heart guides me with clarity and love. I am connected to my inner wisdom. I trust the guidance of my heart. Visualize the light within your heart grew stronger with each affirmation, radiating love and wisdom throughout your entire being. Allow any thoughts or feelings which arises drift away like clouds in the sky whenever they arises. Do not follow them or hold on to them. Allow your awareness to return to the light in your heart. Take a moment to listen to the voice within you. What message does it have for you today? Trust whatever comes to you. It is a reflection of your inner truth. As we bring the meditation to a close, take a deep breath in and out. Feel the warmth and wisdom of your heart once again. Feel the softness and the gentleness of it. Remember that your inner self is always guiding you, and your inner wisdom is always within you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and carry the sense of connection and peace with you. Thank you for joining this heart-focused meditation. Do subscribe for more guided meditations. Namaste.